Hello everyone, welcome back. Cloudbot versus Menace versus N8n. These are three tools people use to automate work and build workflows. In this video, I'll quickly explain what each one is good at and how to choose between them. Let's start with Cloudbot. Cloudbot is all about integrations. It connects with tons of popular apps and helps you automate actions between them. Things like sending messages, triggering events, or moving data from one place to another are where Cloudbot shines. If you like tools that just connect everything together and make things happen automatically, Cloudbot feels really practical. Now let's talk about Menace. Menace is more about thinking and planning. It's an AI assistant built for deeper reasoning. Instead of just triggering actions, Menace helps you break down complex problems, plan workflows, and think through big tasks step by step. Menace is great when the problem isn't just do this, but figure out how to do this. And then there's N8n. N8n is a workflow automation tool where you visually build automations using blocks and connections. It's very hands-on. You design exactly how data flows from one step to another. N8n is powerful if you like full control and want to see every step of your automation. It's not fully AI driven, but it's extremely flexible. Here's the easy way to choose. If you want quick integrations and ready-made automation, use Cloudbot. If you want help thinking through complex workflows, use Menace. If you want full control and visual workflow building, use N8n.